Hello, welcome to another Dynamic Do-It-Yourself video, and today I'm going to give a quick review of this book called The Complete Book of Essential Oils and Aromatherapy by Valerie Ann Worwood. This is the 25th anniversary edition. It's completely revised and expanded. This book claims to have over 800 natural, non-toxic, and fragrant recipes to create health, beauty, and safe home and work environments. Sounds great, doesn't it? If you are on an essential oil journey, you probably have gone from web page to blogs to vlogs to YouTube videos and trying to figure out, first and foremost, which essential oils are the best, which ones are organic, which ones are true essential oils, and which ones are fragrant oils, because you want to choose essential oils because they're healthier and they're better for you. Fragrance is just a scent. Essential oils come with properties that you can use for your health and for cleaning, for your home. And I have reviewed another book on this channel. I'll have you should see a little something at the top of this video to link back to that video if you want to check out that book. It's a little pocket book on essential oils. This one is much more thorough. As you can see, this is a pretty thick book, like a telephone book. This book, I purchased it after reading a lot of reviews on it. And the beauty of this book is that it touches upon lots of different essential oils that are common and uncommon. You can see I have this already tagged in different places because there's things that I've seen that I have used. What I love about this book, it's very thorough. The copyright on this is 1991. I don't know if you can see that there. Yeah, see that 1991 was original copyright. For the revised, you see it's 2016. So depending on when you're watching this video, as of recording this video, this is 2020. So this is only 4 years old when this book was released. This book, I find it to be very beneficial. If you're serious about your essential oil journey, I would advise checking this book out. Look for it in the library. See if you have a friend or someone who has this. An aromatherapist might have a book like this on hand. The table of contents is very thorough. I've actually picked this book up and read it like it's a novel, and is dry reading. But as most people know, if you're an academic, your reading is not going to be written to entertain. It's going to be written to instruct and educate. So this part up here gives you an idea of chapter 1, medicines out of the earth. It gives you a history, letting you know that the whole essential oil game is not a new game. Things get repackaged, reimagined, but it's not new. It's old. Old as time, old as humans been on this earth. Chapter 2 is very beneficial. Chapter 2, the basic care kit. And she has here the basic care kit oils. This is very valuable. Very valuable. It lists basically the simplest oils that you can get, and it will be basically what you will keep in your medicine cabinet for all types of things. Okay, so there's a lot, like I said, there are a lot of essential oils. There are a lot of blends out there that are fancy. There's some essential oils that are very expensive, promising you the moon and the stars, but this book cuts through all of that noise and gives you something that you can work with at home. Chapter 3 is the self-defense kit. Chapter 4, occupational oils for the working man and woman. Chapter 5, emotional rescue. Chapter 6, the basic travel kit. That's huge. You go to different places and you want to keep a couple of essential oils on you that can help you with minor things. Now, if you have some major problems, major health concerns, I do not recommend getting essential oils and using that to cure yourself. Go to your doctor. Go to your doctor. Tea tree oil is not going to get rid of that tumor that you have growing. Okay, I hate to say that, but it's true. And if anyone is telling you that essential oils are going to be the cure-all for everything, they are lying to you and trying to get to your pocket. Anyway, Chapter 7, the gentle touch for babies, children, and teenagers. Chapter 8, a woman's natural choice. Chapter 9, the natural choice for men. Okay, and Chapter 10, essential help in the maturing years. Okay, so for all of us who are older, this is good. Once again, if you are maturing and you're having issues like high blood pressure, swollen ankles and feet, a lot of Parkinson's, dementia, Alzheimer's, arthritis, these things are not listed here as cure-alls. Please don't think of them as cure-alls. These are recipes that are used with essential oils to help you with some relief, not a cure. Okay, here we go with Chapter 11. Chapter 11 says assertive oils for sports, dance, and exercise. If you are athletic in any way and you get a sprain, you get muscle cramps, you get all kind of issues, this book is helping you with relief, help you to ease some of these things and help with the healing process. Is it a cure? Not a cure. And then here we have this one section about major health concerns. Okay, you have cancer, heart issues, stroke, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. These are major issues. Ms. Worwood is not offering solutions and cures. This book is really going into, like I said, help you ease some of your ailments. Okay, so that's Chapter 12. Yes, Chapter 12. Okay, Chapter 13, the fragrant way to beauty. The home spa, body beautiful, fragrant care for your home. Chapter 16, cooking with essential oils. Now, I'm going to tell you, I am not one for ingesting essential oils. I don't think anyone who is well versed or in practice with essential oils is going to suggest ingesting essential oils. So as a caveat, sometimes, you take lavender. People put lavender in foods, that's supposed to be very quintessential cuisine. Okay, there is a place for it, but notice this is all for just eating and nothing as far as a cure is concerned. Natural health for animals, gardens for the future, carrier oils, and hydrolats. Okay, so you can see this book is very thorough. It goes into a lot of things. This is the part that I really, truly find the most value. And it's Chapter 20, the essential oils and absolutes. Goes through, as you can see here, this is just, let me see if I can get that up there. It goes through a lot of essential oils. Then you have safety information here. Okay, and I'm going to quickly go to that part of the book because this is worth the money. Chapter 20, the essential oils and absolutes. As I go through this section, it lists all types of essential oils. It tells you the name, it gives you the botanical names, therapeutic uses, therapeutic properties, precautionary advice. This is huge. I say you have this much of the book that's giving you information and giving you recipes. As you saw earlier, 800 natural, non-toxic, and fragrant recipes. This section, here we are with all the essential oils, and it breaks it down. And so I've gone through here. I have purchased, like here I have, let me go to an essential oil that's pretty common, everybody hears about. Okay. Here we have the section here with chamomile roman. Okay. Tells you the therapeutic uses, the therapeutic properties, and the precautionary advice. And see here, this is good about chamomile. There's no contraindications. So you know that this is pretty safe, and you also know that this might be safe for women who are pregnant, young children, the elderly, and people who do not have any type of compromising health issues. So this gives you a base. So if you're on one of those websites and you're looking at all those beautiful essential oils and they're offering them to you at a sale, at a discount, before you pull that trigger, get a book like this and see, do you really need it? Whole wood. Whole wood is an expensive essential oil, you know, and so you might say, well, gee, I might need whole wood in my collection because it has a nice high price point and I think I can use it. And it's great for influenza, colds, chills, bacterial and viral respiratory infections. As it goes on, the list goes on. But you might also see that there might be another essential oil that doesn't have a high price point that actually addresses these same issues. So saves you some money. Okay. So anyway, like I said, this is a very good book. I think you should take a look at it, and you will not be disappointed. And do not get the e-version. Well, it's up to you. If you want to get the ebook, go ahead and get the ebook. But I prefer a book that I can hold on to and I can reference at will at any time. If the internet's down, I still can go in here and look and find things. And a lot of the recipes that I've used out of this book do work. I have found relief from things like earaches to repelling insects to soothing pains. The index is very thorough, very thorough. The print is quite small, so if you need reading glasses, get those reading glasses and look for what you need to. This is very thorough, and I appreciate that. So anyway, like I said, if you're on an aromatherapy journey, check out this book and give it a try. I hope this was helpful. If you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up, and until next time.